What's up guys? ¿Qué pasó? Hello, namaste and welcome to my channel. I'm back with some useful tips and tricks. Have you ever had your own haircut? Well, my hair is getting thicker, so all I want is to create some waves. All you need is a hairbrush. Use a comb, thick and thin. A rubber band, a pair of scissors, and a small scissor if in case. Lastly, a mirror to look at yourself and admire your beauty. That's it. Haircut is a very short process, so you can have it with your morning tea or just before your shower. Okay, now let's get started. Make sure you comb your hair very well. Use a thin comb after you finish with a thick one. Now bow your head down and bring all your hair down. Brush it. So repeat the process one more time with a small comb. Now make sure you tie your hair neatly, tightly with a rubber band to make it a front ponytail. So after you make a ponytail, brush it one more time. Now take another rubber band and tie at the bottom. Well, this really depends the length you wish to shorten your hair. Well, I want a little bit only because I'm doing only for a video purpose. So yeah, I just want to keep my length same, but I just want a wavy effect. It's now time to chop my hair. So use a sharp scissor, chop it straight. Well, my scissor was a little blunt, so it took me a while, but make sure if you have a sharp one, just use it sharp all the time. You can always reuse your chopped hair for different purposes, or if you wish, you can always donate to some salon. Well, I am a kind of person who hates wasting stuff. Personally, even if I have some clothes which doesn't fit me anymore, I prefer to donate into Salvation Army or some other charity. Honestly, it doesn't really matter how much we donate. All it matters is if the donation was useful or not. Okay, so let's get back to the tips. Make sure you leave it really tidy, and don't worry if you have to repeat the process one more time. Make sure you tap it gently before you remove the rubber band. It's time to remove my rubber band, and I'll show you how sharp waves I have now. My hairs are extremely black, so it's really hard to notice sometimes, but I'll show you the difference. You can see that I have kept my length same, yet more structured. So I'm all done with my haircut. All done!
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion just to feel ya.